What you are about to see is the fully automated PULVERMEISTER process of unpacking and cleaning. No more waste of human resources to separate parts out of powder. No more mess or health risks. Finally, a standardized industrial process with high cost effectiveness and constant quality results. Used powder is ready for refreshing. Lasting material is cleaned and dust-free with minimal consumption. We have tested the reliability of the machine on a daily basis for the past 6 months, having processed more than 40,000 parts of PA11 in black. Each one with identical quality. Our system works flawlessly. Our post-processing consists of the following work steps. Load the build space into the PULVERMEISTER Typ3. Press a button. Wait the configured time. Obtain the finished parts. That's it. If you would like a trial post-processing, just send us a file with a part you would consider producing in plastic powder 3D printing. We will process a build space with you on site. See real results for your product with a good overview of cost, time, and quality. Just call or send us an email.